As you maybe know, I'm printing a Mandalorian suit for my daughter, and with that I need to print the helmet, and the helmet was one of the first things I printed, but I watch a lot of videos how everybody printed the helmet, and they explain a lot to me and how they explain how you need to print it, but I try to do all those things they explained in the videos, but still there went some things wrong with printing. So let me show you what happened and what I did wrong and what went well. Hi everybody and welcome back to a new episode of Mad Builds. As you notice, I'm printing out a Mandalorian helmet for my daughter, and I watched a ton of YouTube videos, but still there went some things wrong. As you can see here with the support, I tried to fix it, but it went wrong. In the end, it doesn't matter because the print came out well, but as you can see with printing, it went wrong, and I tried to support it so the print could get on with printing, but my effort to fix it didn't work. I don't know how I could fix that on another way, but as you can see now, without the support structure, the print went well. Another problem I had with this print is you can see it a lot of loose threads. They are easy to remove, but still I don't think they have to be there. So if you can prevent it, it's better. You can see here the temperature where I'm printing up, and there are really a lot of threads. You can see it perfect here. It took me quite some time in Cura to get the helmet positioned perfectly, because I noticed there's a lot of time difference in printing if you move the helmet a little bit around, and also with the support structures it makes quite a difference if you move the helmet a little bit around. So take your time in Cura to position the helmet and the support structures very good. It can save you a lot of PLA and a lot of time. If you saw another episode from me, then you know that I don't use this PLA anymore because it broke a few times and gave me some trouble. So I use now another PLA, and I have to say with the other PLA, the lines are much thinner, so you don't have to sandpaper too much on the prints, and especially on helmets you only have to do a little bit of putty or spray filament on there, and then only use a little bit of sandpaper and you're finished. With this helmet I have to use a lot, I think, because layers are very rough. But I'm here for learning, so this was my first Mandalorian helmet, and I'm happy that it finished pretty well with no big issues and no big problems. Of course, there are a lot of videos on YouTube with the perfect prints and the perfect helmets, but those are people who are printing for a few years already and know exactly what they're doing. And believe me, in the beginning they had the same issues, and not all the helmets they print come out as beautiful as they show on YouTube. As you can see on the top, it's a little bit rough edges, but I think with some putty and sandpaper that goes away. For me, this helmet is very nice. It's all about the learning process, and believe me, I learn a lot with printing this helmet. I don't think I would do it exactly the same, but more or less the same, yes. The support structures on the back of the helmet, I think I would change that, and maybe in front of the helmet with the visor, but in the end, roughly I think I would print the helmet the same as I did. The only thing I would change for sure is PLA, because this PLA I really don't like. It was the first PLA I had, so for me I thought it was great. Now I'm using other PLA. It's much finer, much thinner lines, and less work with sandpaper. So in the end, it's much quicker to work with the new PLA. But for now, I'm very happy with this piece coming out like this. It's my first Mandalorian helmet. It's my first big piece I printed in one piece. It was, I think, 2 days of printing and everything went well. So I think it's a great print for me. So if you like the videos, subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and I hope to see you on the next one.